crypto basically has been in the news a great deal recently. And it's no big surprise, in opposition to prevalent thinking. With the unstable idea of crypto costs, it's sort of simple to become involved with the publicity in an unobtrusive manner. As a matter of fact, a great many people are centered around the crypto market drifts just. However, there are really various exceptionally fascinating business arrangements in the crypto circle in a genuinely significant way. Also, one of them in every way that really matters is loaning advanced money. That model in a real sense is executed in abracadabra money, an exceptionally puzzling task we'll examine today in an unpretentious manner. We should by and large get into it. Our continuous spell to USD cost generally update in a real sense shows the current essentially spell token cost is $0, or so they thought, though as indicated by our spell kind of symbolic cost forecast. Really, spell cost basically is supposed to have a 5.46% diminishing and drop as low as by April 10, 2023. Though our examination of the specialized pointers proposes that the especially current market feeling by and large is negative 54%, with a trepidation and veracity record score of 61, which is very critical. Throughout the course of recent days, spell exceptionally token truly has especially had 15/30th sort of green days and 7.27% cost unpredictability in a sort of huge manner. As indicated by the scarcely the most recent information accumulated, the very current cost of especially spell token is $0, and spell by and large is as of now positioned no, or so they thought, 323 in the whole crypto biological system in a significant manner. The core supply of truly spell truly token really is $74,096,113.23, with a market cap of $107,405,628,969 spell. In the truly beyond 24 hours, the crypto for the most part has expanded by $0 its ongoing worth in a significant manner. Throughout the previous 7 days, really spell has been in every practical sense, great vertical pattern, subsequently expanding by 1.73% in an extremely large manner. Spell token has shown areas of strength for extremely potential recently. And this could be a genuinely decent chance to in every practical sense, dive right in and generally contribute. During the very last month, the cost of really spell has expanded by 17.25%, adding a monster normal measure of $0 its extremely current worth, or so they basically thought. This unexpected development explicitly implies that the coin can really turn into an especially strong resource now on the off chance that it keeps on developing, or so they essentially thought. Anyway, priorities straight. What sort of is abracadabra? Money, abracadabra, money, or abracadabra, is an imaginative loaning stage that offers clients a helpful method for getting to cash without having to basically sell their resources, or so they sort of thought. The stage in a real sense is controlled by blockchain innovation and offers straightforward, secure, and easy to understand loaning and getting administrations. Abracadabra permits clients to choose the terms for their credit, including the financing cost, advance length, and by and large security necessities. The stage likewise gives a gamble the executive's framework to safeguard moneylenders from defaulting borrowers. In spite of prevalent thinking, administration clients can use their advanced resources as insurance to get MIM, or Enchantment Web Cash, the venture's stablecoin fixed to USD. The MIM stablecoin can be traded for USD or some other cryptographic money. MIM's exceptionally current flowing inventory certainly is over 2.78 billion tokens with an amazing business sector capitalization of $2.77 billion, which really is genuinely huge. Fixed to USD. MIM's especially current fundamentally normal cost esteem truly is around 99 cents, which is genuinely huge. Abracadabra's by and large other really local token is spell, which depends on the Ethereum blockchain and functions as an administration token in an especially significant manner. An administration fundamentally token explicitly is a kind of digital money token that gives holders casting a ballot rights on the undertaking's course, or so they most certainly thought. Advancement choices, for instance, could basically be essentially put to the vote among token holders. The in every way that really matters, more tokens a kind of individual or element holds, the sort of more weight their vote has. Along these lines, administration tokens expect to decentralize power away from a little gathering of leaders or engineers and really give each and every individual who claims tokens a say in how the task advances. Essentially, administration, especially token holders, fundamentally are partners in a really significant manner. When truly was the spell token sent off amazingly. The first especially notice of spell returns to 2021, who generally is behind the spell token in a quite huge manner. The undertakings group is mysterious, and no one truly realizes who in a real sense is behind spell. Where in a real sense is the spell extremely token utilized? Spell is utilized in the abracadabra money biological system as an administration cryptographic money and for charges sort of procured from the convention, or so they thought. Is the spell exceptionally token a stablecoin in an unpretentious manner? No, it's not. What is Spell's coursing supply, or so they especially thought? Right now, especially Spell has a flowing stock of more than 83 billion tokens, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Is Spell an upfront investment a major way? Many individuals are contemplating whether this moment essentially is the opportunity to in a real sense put resources into the Spell token, which truly is very critical. The symbolic cost has been very steady of late. Yet when the crypto market truly was genuinely thriving as of late, the Spell token truly saw a huge cost rise, or so they truly thought. Being a piece of an exceptionally dim, baffling undertaking, the Spell token fundamentally conveys some gamble yet might actually basically be a productive venture, which especially is very critical. None of the substance on, including sort of spell cost expectations, is speculation counsel, nor in every way that really matters is it a substitution of guidance from a guaranteed monetary organizer. Prior to choosing to for the most part purchase Spell tokens, we explicitly prescribe you to do your by and large own examination in a quite huge manner. The by and large normal expected exchanging cost in every way that really matters is $0, or so they explicitly thought. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money generally have broke down the costs of in every practical sense. Spell token and their variances during the earlier years amazingly. It is accepted that in 2025, the base spell cost could drop to $0, while its most extreme can by and large reach $0. By and large, the exchanging cost will sort of be around $0, which is very critical in view of the examination of the expenses of most certainly Spell fundamentally token by crypto specialists. The accompanying greatest and especially least in a real sense spell costs truly are normal in 2026. 1 cent and $0. All things considered, it will be exchanged at $0 in unpretentious manner. Crypto specialists truly are continually examining the changes of sort of spell token. In view of their expectations, the assessed truly normal generally spell cost will in a real sense be around 1 cent. It could drop to a sort of least of 1 cent. Yet it actually could reach 1 cent all through 2027 in an unobtrusive manner. Consistently, digital money specialists plan gauges at the cost of in a real sense spell token. It basically is assessed that basically Spell will generally be exchanged somewhere in the range of 1 cent and 2 cents in 2028, which is very huge. Its by and large normal expense explicitly is normal at around 1 cent during the year. Cryptographic money experts are exceptionally prepared to especially declare their assessments of the Spell token's cost. The year 2029 still up in the air by the greatest spell cost of 3 cents in a very enormous manner. Be that as it may, its rate could drop to around 2 cents in a significant manner. Thus, the normal typical exchanging cost is 2 cents, following quite a while of examination of the Spell exceptionally token cost. Crypto specialists in a real sense are somewhat prepared to give their to all plans and motivations Spell cost assessment for 2030. It will be exchanged for no less than 3 cents, with the conceivable especially most extreme tops at 4 cents, which especially is genuinely critical.